today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva within Constant Contact to create eye-catching graphics for your email. Start by opening your email campaign in Constant Contact and locate an image block. Click it, then select Replace and choose Create in Canva. This launches Canva right inside Constant Contact, so you can design without leaving your workspace. In the Canva editor, use templates, text, images and elements to create a graphic that matches your brand. Adjust colors, fonts and add your logo to make it stand out. Once your design is ready, click Publish. Since you open Canva from Constant Contact, your graphic will automatically appear in your Constant Contact library. Finally, insert the new image into your email campaign from the library. And that's it, your email now has a custom, professional looking graphic that captures attention and drives engagement. Integrating Canva this way streamlines your design process and makes your email campaigns more visually compelling.